Got 4 different types. Got a red one. And a blue one. And a regular white one. 4 different types. And another red one. 5 different. You just found 5?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright. Did you see any clothes you like? You found some socks?
This.
Oh, I found it. There's another one. Exit sign. That's pretty cool.
No.
Yeah, smoke detectors. See them one more time. There's a red one, a blue one, a white one, and another red one. Don't you go back there. Hey, that's for employees only. Oh, look at these little little belts. Match your new socks. We need to get those. More smoke detectors.